Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of changing your flight with Delta Airlines, focusing on flexible trips. Whether your plans have changed or you simply need to adjust your travel schedule, Delta offers a user-friendly way to make these changes. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Delta Airlines website or app. To begin the flight change process, open your web browser and visit the Delta Airlines website or launch the Delta mobile app. Ensure you are logged into your account for a smoother experience. Step 2. Access your itinerary. Locate the My Trips section on the home page. Enter your confirmation number along with your last name to access your itinerary. This will bring up all your current flight details. Step 3. Select the flight you wish to change. Once your itinerary is loaded, find the flight you would like to modify. Click on it to view the options. Delta provides easy visibility so you can see your original flight details clearly. Step 4. Choose the change option. Look for the option that says Change Flight or Modify Flight. Clicking this will prompt a new window where you can begin the change process. Step 5. Review your options. Delta will typically show you alternative flights based on your original itinerary. Review the options available, including times, prices, and availability. Pay attention to the flexibility of each option, especially if you're looking for a flight that allows for easy changes in the future. Step 6. Select your new flight. Once you find a suitable flight, select it. You will be presented with any fare differences that may apply. Confirm that you are okay with these adjustments before proceeding. Step 7. Confirm changes and payment. After selecting your new flight, review the details one last time. If applicable, enter your payment information to cover any fare difference. Follow the prompts to finalize your flight change. Step 8. Receive confirmation. Upon completing your flight change, you should receive a confirmation email with your new flight details. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder to confirm that your changes were successful. Step 9. Update your travel plans. With your new flight confirmed, update any transportation or accommodation bookings as necessary. This ensures your trip remains seamless and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy travels!